right after the Big Bang. The Christian Bible says that in the beginning God said, "Let there be light." Genesis 1 verse 3. However, this turned out to be false. After the Big Bang, the universe was opaque and photons couldn't travel at all. The first 380,000 years the universe was opaque to visible light, non-transparent, and photons couldn't travel at all. Few minutes after the Big Bang, the universe was primarily hydrogen and helium. But when a gas is too hot, it becomes ionized, loses the electrons, and becomes opaque, like today's smoke. In the beginning, the universe was opaque to visible light. It took 380,000 years for the universe to cool enough, and only then it became transparent to visible light. For other wavelengths, it was opaque for 1 billion years. How the early universe cleared away the fog. About 300,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe was like a smoke-filled chamber from which light could not escape. By the time the universe was 1 billion years old, the smoke, actually a gas of light-trapping hydrogen, had cleared almost entirely, allowing stars and galaxies to become visible. But exactly what cut through the haze has been one of the big questions in astrophysics. Now, by analyzing images taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, researchers have come close to confirming their best guess. The smoke was cleared away by a blaze of ultraviolet radiation from the earliest galaxies. So, "Let there be light" of the Christian Bible turned out to be false. However, the Quran correctly said that in the beginning it was smoke, that is, a hot non-transparent gas. Quran. Then he directed himself to the heaven when it was smoke, and then said to it and to earth, "Come willingly or by force." They said, "We do come willingly." Largest known structures in the universe. 1,400 years ago, people believed that the universe is what they could see. Nobody believed that there are other galaxies. Today we know that this is false. Billions and billions of galaxies form superstructures. Galaxy filament. In physical cosmology, galaxy filaments, subtypes, supercluster complexes, galaxy walls, and galaxy sheets are the largest known structures in the universe. They are massive, thread-like formations, with a typical length of 50 to 80 megaparsecs h-1, or of the order of 200 to 500 million light-years, that form the boundaries between large voids in the universe. Filaments consist of gravitationally bound galaxies. Parts wherein many galaxies are very close to one another, in cosmic terms, are called superclusters. Billions and billions of galaxies form superstructures. This was known recently. However, this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran. He who made the earth a habitat for you, and the sky a structure, and sends water down from the sky, and brings out fruits thereby, as a sustenance for you. Therefore, do not assign rivals to Allah while you know. In this verse, the sky is a structure. Today we know that on large scale billions and billions of galaxies form superstructures.